No available Wi-Fi? Need urgent internet access? At this moment, only a friend with lots of network mobile traffic on his or her device can help you. He or she can turn Android phone into mobile hotspot to let you connect to the Wi-Fi. But how to achieve this goal? Just watch on to know more. Check your current rate plan before the conversion. The mobile hotspot is actually the network mobile flow on your Android phone. So before changing your phone into a hotspot, you need to ensure two things: whether your rate plan can be used as a hotspot and the network mobile flow is enough. Turn your Android phone into mobile hotspot in settings. Step 1. Switch on hotspot on your Android phone. Tap settings, tethering and mobile hotspot options on your phone. Then you will see the on or off button of mobile hotspot is gray. Just tap on it and choose OK to enable the feature. Step 2. Configure hotspot. Click menu. Choose Configure Hotspot. Modify SID. Choose WPOTPSC for security. Use WPOTPSC for password protection. Tap Save to confirm. 1. Add the allowed devices. Tap Menu. Select Allowed Devices. Click plus to input device name and MAC address. Then OK to add. Limit: 10 devices can access the internet through your mobile network. 2. Set connection mode. Tap Hotspot on Home. Choose All or Allowed Devices to conserve data. 3. Enable timeout settings. Go to Menu Timeout Settings. Choose settings like Never Timeout, 5 mins, 10 mins, etc. Hotspot auto disables with connected devices. Use third-party apps to convert your phone into Wlan hotspot. Step 1. Download FoxV on your phone. Step 2. Configure your hotspot. Step 3. Activate Wi-Fi hotspot.